This video will outline the proper operating steps for an Optima XR propane burnisher. Prior to starting the machine, check the level of oil in the engine. The Optima XR will not run without the proper amount of oil. The oil level should be to the fill line upon arrival, but if oil is needed, please refer to the manual for details. Check the condition of the burnished pad to ensure that it is in good condition. Never tilt the machine on the left side or oil will leak from the engine. Inspect the fuel line for any signs of wear or damage. Adjust the handle to the proper height for the operator. Place a propane fuel tank into the carriage and clamp it into position. Be sure that the propane tank nozzle is positioned to the front of the machine. Check to make sure that the valve on the tank is closed. Then connect the fuel hose to the tank, ensuring that it is tightened all the way. Then open the valve on the propane tank. Before starting the machine, make sure it is tilted backward and the pad is off the floor. Make sure the throttle cable is positioned to idle speed and turn the key switch to the start position. The engine should start within a few seconds of engaging the starter. Do not activate the starter for more than 5 seconds at a time. To begin buffing the floor, move the throttle all the way to fast position. While beginning to walk forward, slowly lower the pad onto the floor. Always operate the machine at full speed. Do not attempt to use the machine at only half throttle. During operation, it is important to continually push the machine on the floor. Do not stop in one place, or damage to the floor surface may occur. If the operator needs to stop for a brief moment, first tilt the machine back on the rear caster wheel, then move the throttle cable to idle position. Always keep 2 hands on the machine at all times. This is important to maintain control during operation. During breaks or other work stoppages, tilt the machine back on the rear caster wheels and move the throttle cable to idle position. Close the valve on the gas cylinder and wait for the engine to stop. Then turn the machine key off. To change buffing pads on the machine, tilt the machine on its right side. Remove the center lock from the pad holder and remove the pad. Place the new pad into position and replace the center lock. Tilt the machine back upright, and it is now ready for use. Consult the operator manual for a comprehensive maintenance schedule or visit www.betco.com for more information.